So I wanted to make a video for anybody that's curious about Vietnam or interested in cultural events like Tet or the Lunar New Year, the biggest holiday of the year here in the country. But I especially wanted to make this video for Viet Qs, overseas Vietnamese that maybe can't make it out here this year for Year of the Cat, or maybe even haven't been able to visit the country in several years. This is for you. I appreciate all your support over the years. So I am in Da Nang, Vietnam. I'm outside this very busy and hectic flower market here. It's only 2 days before the first day of the Year of the Cat. Tomorrow night is New Year's Eve. So needless to say, it's very busy, very hectic here as people gather and purchase flowers that are very symbolic and very important to the celebration of Tet.
Tet, Vietnam's Lunar New Year celebration and the most important holiday of the year, cannot be acknowledged without flowers, just as Westerners who celebrate Christmas might not feel their holiday is complete without a Christmas tree. Although various flowers can have a range of meaning and significance to Vietnamese. It's only 2 days before the New Year. It's obviously crowded, hectic, but there's a fun spirit in the air, much like you'd find at a Christmas market. Flowers play an important role as part of worshiping ancestors for the holiday and bringing good luck, wealth, and happiness to the family. Yellow and red will be prominently seen at these markets because of their importance in bringing good luck. In the north, the two trees you will see the most for sale and on display are the peach blossom and kumquat trees, but you'll also see these throughout the country. In the south, the yellow apricot blossom tree, not actually bearing apricot fruit, is a favorite. Daisies are seen everywhere and represent life, happiness, and wealth. Marigolds are popular in the south and symbolize gentle beauty and longevity. Orchids are another flower that represent a gentle beauty and dignity. This flower market is located in the Han Market neighborhood of Da Nang, where you can also find shops that specialize in gift baskets and alcohol that are especially busy this time of year.
kỳ già kìa.
And that's Banchang. Banchang. This is Bantong.
These ladies were very patient with me, knowing I wasn't going to buy anything. My brutal pronunciation of the traditional cakes eaten during Tet, I'm sure, drew laughs later. Da Nang's commercial center and home of its biggest market, the Khan Market, is still relatively busy on the eve of the Year of the Cat. People are still shopping for fruits for their 5-fruit tray to be placed on their ancestors' altar to pay respect to heaven and earth and ancestors. This giant Buddha's hand will show up on many trays. For many Vietnamese, the first day of the New Year will include a visit to their hometown, if they are currently not living there, as well as seeing relatives and, of course, visiting a pagoda to pray. This is the Ba Da Pagoda in Da Nang, where many followers will visit on the first day of the Lunar New Year. Families will pray for good luck, safety, and health, prosperity, and happiness. Another Tet tradition is to visit one of the many flower parks created for the holiday that are also seen all across the country. This one, set against the Han River and Dragon Bridge in Da Nang, draws thousands every year. So why is Vietnam the only country that celebrates the cat as part of the zodiac calendar when it's the year of the rabbit everywhere else? There are a few stories that may explain this, one of which is the word for rabbit in Chinese sounds similar to the word for cat in Vietnamese. Another explanation is that farmers centuries ago chose to worship the cat as it played a vital role in protecting rice stalks from that other zodiac character, the rat. I like that the Vietnamese have their own two characters that are unique to their zodiac calendar, the cat subbing for the rabbit and the buffalo in place of the ox. It doesn't take long for anyone that visits Vietnam to recognize that strong independent spirit prevalent in every facet of life, including, in this case, their own unique calendar.
Hey, thanks so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed that. A little taste of Year of the Cat here in Da Nang, Vietnam. Thanks again. Also want to shout out to all those people that I've met recently just walking around Da Nang. People maybe seeing some of my videos in the past and saying hi, and that's been really cool. If you were one of those people, thank you so much. Really great meeting in person. If you want to support the channel, by all means, anything, everything, always greatly appreciated. There's 2 links in the video description below. Just check those out. Thanks again. And thank you once again from Da Nang, Vietnam. This is John Sabo. Peace, love, safe travels. See you next time from Malaysia.